Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of Introduction to C Programming. C is a combination of structured programming and modular programming. Structured programming means it is a technique where you can use a subprograms, that means functions and control statement like if statements or loops to structure the control flow of your programs. That is known as a structured programming. Modular programming means modular programming is a software design technique that emphasizes separating the functionality of the program into independent, interchangeable modules such that each contain everything necessary to execute only only one aspect of the desired functionality. It is also C is a combination of structured and modular programming. The character set of a C. Alphabets are the small letters A to Z and capital letters A to Z. The numeric 0, 1 up to 9. Special symbols: open curly braces, close curly braces, open square bracket, close square bracket, question mark, plus minus, asterisk symbol, slash, percentage symbol, exclamation, dot, and then comma, and so on. Now you have to discuss about the tokens. So what is a token? The word formed from the character set are building blocks of C and are sometimes known as a tokens. The words formed from the character set are building blocks of C and are sometimes known as tokens. These tokens represent the individual entity of the language. The following are the different types of tokens used in the C. The first one is identifiers, keywords, constants, operator, and punctuation symbols. Identifier: a C program consisting of two types of element, user defined and system defined. Identifier are nothing but a name given to these elements. An identifier is a word used by a programmer to name a variable, function, or a label. Identifier consists of a letter and digits in any order. Expect that the first is a character. Identifier contains the letter and digit in any order, and first one should be a character. Both uppercase and lowercase letters can be used. C is a case sensitive, so we can use upper and lowercase letter can be used. Keywords. So keywords are reserved words, are system defined identifiers. Keywords are reserved words of the language. They have a specific meaning in the language and cannot be used by the programmer as a variable or constant name. That cannot be used. There are system defined names. They cannot be used for user defined name. C is a case sensitive. C is having a 32 keywords in C programming. So these are the keywords. So set of 32 keywords are given here: auto, break, case, char, const, continue, default, do, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if, long, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, switch, type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and void. So these are all 32 keywords are there and also reserved words of the C. Variables. Next, we are going to discuss about the variables. So what is a variable? A variable is a name given to a storage area that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C have a specific type which determine the size and layout of the variable's memory, the range of the value that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. The name of the variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore. Variable is nothing; it is a placeholder. Okay, variable is a storage; it is a placeholder. You can store a particular data type. Okay, integer variable can store integer data type. A float variable can store float data type. It must begin with a letter or an underscore. Variable name should begin with a letter or underscore. Upper and lower case letters are distinct because C is a case sensitive. The following are the basic variable types. Character, typically a single octet. That means 1 byte. This is an integer type. Integer, this is the most natural size of integer for the machine. Float, a single precision floating point value. Double, a double precision floating point value. Void represents the options of the type. Next, constant. Constant is a value or identifier whose value cannot be altered in a program is known as a constant. Constant is a value, okay, which cannot, or identifier, it cannot be changed throughout the execution of the program. As mentioned, an identifier can also define as a constant. For example, const double pi equal to 34. That means the value pi cannot be changed. Here pi is a constant. Basically, what it means that pi and 3.14 are same for this program. Integer constant. Integer constant is a numeric constant associated with a number without any fractional or exponential part. Uh, there are three types of integer constant. For example, in C programming, 3, 600 are the example of the integer constant. Okay, for three type of integer constant: decimal constant, their base is 10. Octal constant, their base is 8. Hexadecimal constant, their base is 16. Floating point constant. A floating point constant is a numeric constant that is either a fractional form or an exponential form. For example, 2.0, 0.00234. These are the floating point form. Minus 0.22 e minus 5. This is one of the exponential form. Character constant. A character constant is a constant which uses a single quotation around the character. For example, all the things, all the letter or digit, if it is in single quotation, that is one as a character constant. Here, all the A, L, M, F, R are individually, they are within the single quotation. String constant are the constant which are enclosed in the pair of double quotation mark. For example, good, X, F is round. So these are all known as a string constant. Escape sequences. Escape sequences have a special meaning. Escape sequences have a special meaning in the C programming. For example, new line, enter, tab, question mark. In order to use these characters, escape sequence is used. Okay. Then, for example, /n is used for new line. The /backslash is causes escape from the normal way. These characters are interpreted by the computer. This backslash causes escape from the normal way. The characters are interpreted by the compiler. Escape sequences. /b stands for backspace. /f stands for form feed. /n for new line. /r return. /t horizontal tab. /p vertical tab. Double slash stands for backslash, and single quotation mark double quotation mark question mark /0 null character. So these are all known as escape sequences. So that's all about the introduction of C. Thanks for watching the video.